how to log out of YouTube Kids application. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of YouTube Kids application on iOS and Android devices. This guide provides step-by-step instructions to help you manage or switch accounts effectively. For this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the YouTube Kids application is the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you get to open your YouTube Kids application. You will be redirected to the home page. So you're going to click on this gear icon at the top right, and then you'll be asked to solve a simple maths problem or type down your passcode. So I'm going to type down my passcode and then we'll be redirected to settings. Within settings, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on Use YouTube Kids Signed Out. So you're going to simply click on Use YouTube Kids Signed Out in order to log out of the application. And then you're going to head over, click on Sign Out. So that is basically how you can log out of YouTube Kids application. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.